How much money you have made so far in your career?
I have made 14,000 crore after paying taxes
Hmm.
and everything. And I lost all of them.
Hmm.
Now I am restarting. So I will be a resilience king. The future generation can quote me.
Hmm.
Okay. And say, now my aim is to build within the next 5 years $8 billion. And before my death, I want to build 20 billion. And before my death, I want to donate all the money and die without money.
Okay. So you said that you made 14,000 crores and you lost all of it and now you want to bounce back again. So again, like what's the framework of making such a huge wealth? So all the viewers who are watching this, how can we at least start off with a mindset that 100 crore banana hai, and then how to proceed?
First, set a goal. Okay. Then you control only direction. What is the direction you want to go? Then what is the speed? Number of years you want to achieve. You can actually say you set a goal, put a sub goal. You want to achieve this 100 crore in 5 years. Then from 100 crore to 1,000 crore in the next 3 years. Like that. Okay. And if you are worried that other people will laugh, don't tell them.
Had you set a goal that you wanted to make 14,000 crores or you wanted to become a
No,
billionaire?
I set a goal for 40,000 crore.
Okay.
See, I am not constipated in mind. I had occasional constipation in my stomach. I took isabgol 5 grams a day, then that constipation went away. You take vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, okay, then eat good vegetarian food and don't eat rice too much. Then your body works okay. First thing is you become adaptable. There is a Darwin theory which says the large animals don't win, the small animals don't win, the fast animal doesn't win, the slow animal doesn't win. Okay, the animals who are adaptable, okay, they win. And humans are social animals. They are very adaptable. If you start practicing adaptability, okay, you win. So you set a goal, you become adaptable, then learn these 4 words very deeply. Customer, figure out who is your customer. Anyone can be your customer. And don't worry whether your customer is intelligent. He is important. Whether he is intelligent or not intelligent, don't worry. But he is important. Then don't do any business if there is no profit. Because profit is not only required for you, for growth of your business and to reinvest into the business, you need profit. Then, once you are in business, it is like eating breakfast with a tiger. Even I am worried about my competition. That my business will be taken over by all the big corporates like Reliance or Tata's or Adani's. Okay, or other bigger corporate hospitals. Actually, in my business, I am not really worried about the big corporate hospitals because they are biryani sellers. If they make vegetarian food, will a true Jain or a Marwadi or a South Indian Brahmin will go and eat idli dosa in a non-vegetarian shop? No. So the bigger hospitals are not my worry. The doctors are not my worry because in no medical colleges they have taught wellness to them. And even if they teach, they are not going to practice. So that is not my worry. I myself worried about my competition. So going back for Gen Z advice, first try to focus on your customer, profit, and competitors. The fourth one, you need to have enough passion and love to focus. That is why I told you that they should avoid a distraction.